Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg salad without mustard, using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 hard-boiled eggs, your favorite mayonnaise, and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper. Make sure your eggs are completely cooled after boiling. This helps achieve the best texture when chopping. You can chop them finely for a smoother salad or more coarsely for a chunkier feel, whatever you prefer. Now that your eggs are chopped, it's time to bring everything together. Place your chopped eggs into a mixing bowl. Next, add your desired amount of mayonnaise. A good starting point is about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, depending on how creamy you like it. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor and color, consider adding a dash of paprika. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are thoroughly combined and creamy. One of the best parts about making egg salad without mustard is how easily you can customize the flavors. To add a satisfying crunch, try incorporating about 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. For a fresh, herbaceous touch, a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill or chives works wonderfully. If you enjoy a bit of tang, a teaspoon or 2 of sweet or dill pickle relish can really brighten the profile. Feel free to experiment with these additions to find your perfect combination. Your delicious, mustard-free egg salad is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served on toasted bread, in a lettuce wrap, or simply with crackers. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for about 3 to 4 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.